Hello dear friends, today I'm going to tell you about so smooth, cute and pleasant tower near Dubai Creek Channel in the center of the city. It is called CHIC, so let's go. So the tower is called CHIC, the developer is DAMAC, and it would be ready in the second part of 2026. It is located in the center of the city. Here is Dubai Creek. Here is Peninsula famous. That's Burj Khalifa, Dubai Fontaine, Dubai Mall. Right there is the Gulf. This is Safa Park with Safa 1, Safa 2. And that's the location. Very premium location. So that's the tower. It's got 41 stores. At the top, here are super luxury units, private sky gym and sky pools. And besides, in the podium there are also 50 meters long pool, lazy river and so on. I will tell you a bit later. And here are the views. The example of the views. That's the Dubai Creek. And the whole project is so pleasant, and everywhere you can see green plants like this. At the highest floor there are private pools. The same and the same. This is the long pool in podium level, about 50 meters. That's it one more time. This is the gym, kids play area, long lazy river where you can just chill. That's the main entrance. Here are public areas, so you can see the lobby zone. One more render of lobby zone. Just point your view on the walls and the ceiling. And the lift lobby. Here are lifts. This is the place called Beauty Bar. The terrace. And a few words about the floor plans. There would be studios, 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartments, and 1-bedroom loft, 2-stored apartments. The interior design was made together with the brand Grisogono, located in Geneva. This is living room, just render. Dining room. Point your attention to panoramical windows. Master bedroom. Master bedroom one more time. Walk-in closet. And bedroom. Bathroom. And a few words about the prices. So studio starts from 823,000 dirhams or 224,000 United States dollars. 1-bedroom apartment starts from 1.5 million dirhams or $408,000. And 2-bedroom apartments start from 2.7 million dirhams or $745,000. So if you like this project, if you want to live here or rent out, and if you want to know the availability to fix your interest or to make a booking, feel free to call us for any questions. We will be more than happy to help you. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.